Make time for coding. A lot of my students or people who know me, they tell me that they don't get time for coding. They're doing their job, they're from some other background, they're doing that. Suppose they're from production support background, they're doing their 8-hour shift, and then they don't get time for coding. That is not true. I was also into production support job, and after my 8-hour shift, used to come home through the cab. Your production support people get those things, and I used to do coding daily for 2 hours. Daily for that is how I make the move also from a production support to a development role. So that is what you have to do. Today also I wake up early. Nowadays also I wake up early. I wake up at 4:30 daily, and then I do my work because there are a lot of work as an entrepreneur. I have a lot of work and time is there. So this early waking up thing is something which I'm doing for the past 10 years, even more than that. We were from my college days. If you cannot wake up early, sleep late. It is you don't require more than 6 hours of sleep. So do that and make time for coding.